Sacral Chakra, Svadhisthana. Welcome to this meditation focused on your sacral chakra, located just below your navel. This chakra governs creativity, emotions, and sensuality. Balancing this energy point will help you embrace your passions and flow with the rhythm of life. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in, followed by a gentle exhale. Feel the natural sway of your breath. Place your hands on your lower abdomen, connecting to this energy center. Imagine a warm orange glow beginning to form in this area. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. As you breathe, visualize the orange glow expanding outward, filling your lower abdomen with warmth and vibrancy. Each inhale fuels your creative energy, and each exhale releases emotional blocks. Imagine yourself by a serene body of water, such as a tranquil lake or gentle ocean waves. Feel the water's flow and allow it to sink with your breath. With every wave, imagine your sacral chakra radiating orange light, pulsing with vitality. Repeat the affirmation: I am creative, I am passionate, I flow with life. Think about your creative and emotional expression. Where do you feel free to create and experience joy? Where do you feel blocked? Visualize the orange light dissolving these barriers, allowing your passions to flow freely. Take a deep breath in, feeling the warmth and flow of your sacral chakra. Exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Gently open your eyes.